this tiny mic might replace your every other mic. I have tested over 10 wireless mics, and this one actually surprised me. If you are a vlogger, content creator, or YouTuber, TikToker, anyone searching for a good wireless mic, this video for you. So inside the box, this amazing leather bag with a strip that you can carry it from, and also this amazing zip that keeps the water out of the bag itself. Of course, you get this handle mic with this button to turn it on, and there's also here a hole down there. I don't know why, but at the back you have LED light indicators, USB Type-C, and a thread just to put the desktop stand in it. And you have also this door, just of course to open it and take the mic out of it. To start recording using the handle, you need to keep one mic in the handle itself from the above, and that's it. Here you have fence that you can see. Of course, you have the filter, and you have also a lot of other accessories that we will go through now. You have also the dead cat for the mic itself. You have audio cable 3.5. You have also normal USB Type-C cable with USB-A. You have also USB Type-C from the both sides. We have also here adapter for the old iPhones, of course, with the USB Type-C. We have also a USB Type-C adapter for the new mobiles from all brands, and also with a button to turn it on or off, and also with USB Type-C. I still have also dead cat for the small mics. The small mics, as you see here, it's very, very tiny. You can see the indicator from the front of it, and also you can see the clip that you can use it with the clip, and also this magnetic behind it, so you can of course put it on your t-shirt. So I have here now also the Hollyland Lark M2S, and I have the first generation of the Rode wireless mic. So if you just compare these to the Rode mic when it just launched, of course the Rode was, as I remember, one of the first mic that they are wireless mic, and also with a small tiny mic. And now if we are comparing these next to each other, so we can see the difference in the size. Every year we are getting smaller and smaller and smaller, and as I see from my perspective, the Boya now is one of the smallest. I believe also like one of the mics that you cannot really notice when you are outside or you are surrounded with a lot of people. So I maybe will just make a quick comparison between these three sounds and let you see what is the difference between them. But first of all, as you see, I'm now recording using the noise cancellation active with the small mic, and now I just turned the noise cancellation off. So I believe here in this way that you can just at least hear the sound outside. I believe maybe you might hear a lot of high traffic. There is also children playing there outside, also like 200 meters from me. It's foggy day, so and I will go now with the mic itself. It's just that easy. Now the handle mic is turned on. It took like just 1 second, 2 seconds to start connect also with that receiver. And now I'm talking with or via the handle mic outside with noise cancellation disabled. It's also maybe the time to enable the noise cancellation, and now it's just enabled. It's very amazing how you can now, it's fast that you can switch between noise cancellation, because you have multiple and thousand options. If you are a creator, if you are a YouTuber, if you are if you want to use it for your DSLR camera, if you are a professional. So there's a lot of multiple options and choices. The thing though that I don't like, because I'm not good with audio, so for me it's just more about one press, record, upload. That's it. I don't want a lot of job with the editing, because I don't like editing, but I believe now it's the time to go and switch and compare between the Hollyland Lark M2S and the Rode One wireless mic. The Rode wireless mic first generation. Of course, this one also, it's much bigger in comparison with the Boya Magic. This mic also, you have a dead cat, you can attach it to it. Also, you can connect a lava mic with it, so you have a more clear sound. The thing is though with the Boya Magic that you cannot connect a lava mic with it. Also the same with the Hollyland Magic. The Hollyland Lark M2S, you can just clip it on your jacket or on your t-shirt. The wireless, also the Rode wireless mic, also you can just also put it on your jacket or on your t-shirt. I need also to say that the Rode wireless mic, they don't have noise cancellation. It was not included in that time, so you have a different level of dB, but you don't have a noise cancellation. With the Hollyland Mark M2 Lark M2S, you have a noise cancellation, and we are using it now without the noise cancellation. I will turn now the noise cancellation, so I mean now maybe you can of course hear the difference, or if you wearing a hat, so you can also put it all of them on the hat. The quality of the sound, it will be also a difference, I believe, because like it's still weird to me just to put a mic on a hat, because your sound is going down, not going up. So that's it. And let me know in the comment below which one was the best for your ears for the quality sound. Of course, the price between all these three mics, it's not so much difference. All of them around, of course, depending on the bundle that you are buying, around like 130 euro, 150 euro, in that range. But of course, still that depending on your needs. But the Boya Magic, it's the one that you are getting out of it. It's, you have a lot of mics that you can use, of course, with your mobile, with your DSLR cameras, with any electronic device, even with a speaker. You can also use it with the laptop. So there's a multiple option here with the Boya Magic for almost the same price. So the Boya Magic price starts from 110 euro up like 180, as I believe. And there's also a lot to take the advantage of it. So I'm doing now the test for the small mic, as you see here, and here on the other side I have the Hollyland Lark M2S recording directly with the DSLR camera. So this is of course with the noise cancellation active, as you see here. I will go and switch it to the normal or without a noise cancellation. I believe now you can hear the sound or the difference between the sound. Luckily the Hollyland and the Boya, as I mentioned, you can connect them both with your mobile. Difference between the two mics outside. So I'm recording now, as I mentioned, with the Hollyland Lark M2S with the noise cancellation active. As you can see, the green color, that means it's the noise cancellation is active. And I have here on the right one, of course, the Boya Magic connected with the DSLR camera. Now it's changed to the noise cancellation disabled, and we can see, or you can hear the difference now between these two mics. So after this comparison between all these three mics, which one would you like to buy? There's an affiliate link in the description below that you can use. Maybe I can earn some pennies of that. So, and we are gonna go now to the Boya Central. As you see, when you just open the app for the first time, maybe it will be already connected if you connected from the previous time. The first time it will take 2 seconds, and then you can press on it and go inside it. And you can see a lot of details here. One of the details, of course, the icon of the mic that you are using and how much mics are connected to the app. In my situation here, I have just one, because the second one is already out and I already also turn it off. So, and you can see which channels you are, of course, using, left and right, TX1, and the output gain. So you have 3 output gain, output 1, 2, and 3, and you have also, you can activate the noise cancellation, of course, AI. So in my case, as you can see here on the mic, it's green, so it's already enabled. Of course, I can disable it with just one press. As I mentioned, just press it once and it will turn it off. So, and you have also NC level, AI, so you have two levels, weak and strong, minus 40 dB and also minus 15 dB. Of course, you can go with the record mode, so you have two record mode options, mono and stereo. TX mute, so it will be muted. Safety track, if we just press here, so he will tell you that he will make a backup record on the mobile itself when you need it, so you have it when you need it. General settings, you have EQ, so you have also multiple options here, original, focal boost, and low cut, so low cut, also more low cut. It will disabled and then it will be connected again to activate the neo mode that you want to use. Of course, if we just go back, so now it's on original. I didn't understand it, but I believe there's maybe some error bug in the app itself, because it looks like it's switching, but it's still on the original TX indicator. So TX indicator, as you see here, we have an indicator, so this one also you can turn it off. TX auto off, so this would mean it will be also automatically off after like 10 minutes. Speakers also, you can turn this off. I'm wondering if we just go here, so you can see the device name, you can see the firmware version, and also you can see the device serial number, and also you can see the firmware of the TX and also the RX. So as you see here, guys, I already connect the receiver with my computer here, with my laptop, and this is also already on, but I still see red lights on the RX. So I have also on the screen told me or asked me if I want to connect it. I just told him, okay, I want to connect it. So I will just try now to record something using the Boya mic. So I will just stop the screen recording now and try to start it again to see if the options, if the Boya, one of the options on that computer itself. So as you see, guys, here, before I go and start recording, I have the option of Boya Magic, so I can just choose it and start recording. So I believe now I'm just recording using the Boya Magic. This is how it looks like when you're using it with the computer. I have the red indicators. I don't know why, but I believe red indicator means unpaired. So so I'm here wondering. So I will go maybe to the next room to see if it's really recording. So now I'm in the next room. I don't know if it's recording, but at least I'm pretty sure I'm far away from the mic of the laptop itself. So let's go back. So by the way, I'm now not using any of the mics. I'm just using the mic of the camera. So that's why I'm switching between the sound. Maybe it's a little bit not annoying, but just to give you the full experience about it. The difference between the camera mic and also when you are using something so tiny like this, but it's also so powerful. So when I was just replying the video, so it was just working very amazing here. Pretty sure I'm far away from the mic of the laptop itself. So let's go back. So it's just recording, so that's very, very amazing. Even if it's giving me red colors, but it's still working, so that's enough for me. So in this way I know that I was recording with the mic and connected directly to the laptop, and also with one transmitter, one receiver, so that will make it much easier. I'm still wondering about, can I record with it when you working with the Adobe Premiere? So if you are interested to know about this topic, so let me know in the comment below, and I will maybe make a separate video for that especially. So let's continue. So this is the inside test for the mic itself. Of course, you can keep the second tiny mic in the handle mic itself, but you need just, of course, to make sure it's turned off. But of course, you can still using it, and you can still see via the indicators that which one is working. So As I know, the first one from the top need to be on, the second one no need to be on. So in this case, you can of course see. I don't know if you notice the difference with using the filter or without using the filter. It's all about the echo, because here I have a lot of echo in my house, so or where I'm recording. And by the way, now the noise cancellation is active, so as you see the green light, I will just turn it off just to see it. So as you see now, I have the blue indicator. So in this case, I mean, you can hear, I believe, a lot of echo now in comparing with the noise cancellation. I will switch now to the small mic just to see the difference between, or when you are using the handle mic and when you are using the small mic. So when I just take the small mic, it's directly connected with the small mic. It's very amazing, and I am not using that, and the noise cancellation now is not active. In the handle or in the case itself, I can see the red light coming out of the second mic. That means it's unpaired. That's also but still weird for me, because it must still keep off. But in this case, I will turn adjust the noise cancellation, or make the noise cancellation active on the small mic. I believe you can hear now the difference between these two. There's a lot of pros. I believe you can see it now if you made it to this point in the video. So overall, the Boya Magic is an amazing mic and one of the easiest mic I ever tested. So if you find this video helpful, please give it like, share, subscribe, and I will see you of course with the next video. Bye bye.